Good afternoon, Nas. This afternoon, we are going to discuss the inverse trigonometric formulas. First, there are actually three formulas, but I will just focus on the two formulas. First is the integral du over square root of a square minus u square is equivalent to arc sine u over a plus c. By the way, the arc sine can be written as sine negative 1 u over a. So that you will not be confused or shocked why we are also using this. This is also can be written as the inverse. Instead of having the arc sine u, but we will have inverse sine u over a. So, let me give you an example, but before having the example, this a is really a constant number, and this u is your function. So, example, integral of dx square root of 25 minus 16x squared. So at this point, you are going to set up the given integral into this form. So you'll have integral dx, then square root. You are going to get a perfect number of 25. So that you can have the a square pattern, so that can be written into 5 square, and then this 16x square, you'll have 4x, and then try to square that. Because 4 square is that is equivalent to 4 times 4, which is 16, and then x raised to the power of 2 is just x square here. So, you have already here, so you will be writing a is your a is equivalent to 5, and then your u is equivalent to 4x, then you just differentiate that du as equivalent to 4 dx. Now, let me continue. Since your du has the 4, again, the same pattern. You write the 4 dx, then square root. By the way, at this point, you may copy the original, or you can also copy like this. So, it's your own convenience. So, you can write this. You will have 25 minus 16x squared. And then, since you have already 4 here, we are going to have 1 over 4. Then, apply now the answer, which is that you will have 1/4. Then arc sine, your u is equivalent to 4x, and then your a is equivalent to 5, then plus c. This is your final answer.